Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the USB drive and firmware so the console recognizes it. Format the stick to FAT32 because PS3 won't read NTFS or XFAT. Once done, make the folder tree PS3 then update. You copy the PS3 updat. PUP file into that update folder and ensure the file name is exact. Do this now so the system can find the update. If you skip formatting or misname the file, the PS3 will not show the update option in settings. Next, you perform the actual update using the PS3 interface. Power the console off, then hold the power button to enter safe mode. This ensures the system boots minimal services and detects the USB. Insert the prepared drive, choose System Update, and pick Update via storage media. Follow each prompt carefully, confirm and wait while the PS3 installs the PUP. Be patient. The process may reboot several times. Avoid powering down or unplugging, because that can corrupt the firmware. To finish, verify the new firmware by checking system settings and the system version. Once shown, you're done and can restore your usual setup. If the update fails, make sure you format it as FAT32, recopy the PS3 updat. PUP and retry safe mode. This fixes most recognition errors. If problems persist, swap the USB port or use a different stick, because some drives aren't compatible. One key tip: if the console bricked or repeatedly fails, seek professional repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.